Good morning, guys, even though it's 3:21. So today she's getting picked up to get taken back to the transmission shop so that it could get fixed. And we're just waiting for the tow truck to get here so that I can pick it up. But I realized I haven't shown my truck before. I showed everybody else's fucking car but mine. So I'll give you guys a little walk around. Still a work in progress. So this is my truck. Has primer on most of the truck because I want to get ready for paint or wrap. I'm just not sure what I want to do yet. I still haven't put the taillights back on. Don't need them right now since it's going back over there anyway. So yeah, but it's a 04 Silverado. It's a pretty basic build. Just has a 4/8 drop. I have spaces in the front so that the wheels are more, it fits more flush. I need to do the rear, but I need to lift up the rear so that I could be able to put spacers, because how it is right now, I won't clear, as you can tell. But I think probably a 2-inch, lifting it up 2 inches from the back, I could put the spacers. That's why I'm over there. I have the HD hood, grill. Hi. And stage 2 cam with a built transmission that I keep breaking. I have 5% tint all around, even though the windshield doesn't have tint, so you can still see it a little bit. The inside is dirty as fuck. I haven't cleaned it. Just got that cluster put on. See, it's hella dusty. I haven't cleaned it. But yeah, I'll update you guys once the tow truck picks it up. As you can tell, I got it taken away, I believe last week. Alright, so he's here picking up the truck. She had to move her so that he can have space to back up into it. But yeah, he's gonna be putting it up on the flatbed soon. He's gonna have to put some blocks because he said it's a little low. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys. And we're here. It's closed, so we're gonna have to park it somewhere else. But it's all good now.
Ey, todos escúchenme. Allá afuera hay un pinche tacuache y está quemando llanta, cabrones. Vamos a decir que no quema. Fierro, vamos. No quema,
We're on the way today to the DMV to see if I could renew my license because it doesn't let me do it online. But oh, this is the next day, by the way. Yesterday I took the truck to get to the shop, and we're here with Kevin Bob. So we'll see you over there.
Wake up. Wake up.
Well, after the DMV, we ended up coming to Bowl. My nigga Cheddar Bob over there. The last one. After bowling, we get right back to work. Huh, Kevin?
Hell yeah.
Yo me voy a hacer todo aquí haciéndome pendejo.
Oh, he just got a little playful. No.
Yeah.
Because dogs
Mira,
like dogs.
Palomo, no que no me quería el güey.
Dogs like dogs, bro.
I'm a dog ass nigga. That's it.
Palomo back in the chat.
Hell yeah.
Finally got it on video. What up, tú? Oh, yeah? Do we know what we're doing, Kevin?
We lucky don't. We're trying to make him stop leaking. So we're doing some little chocolation shit.
Is that O'Reilly special?
All right, first off, this is not a Kevin's Custom. This is a Eric Customs. He recommended this.
Eric said he's the contractor today.